Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces from September 18 to September 24, 2023. Okay, so alamin natin yung mga possibilities na mangyari for Pisces this week. Okay, gamit ang ating tarot cards and mamaya kuha din tayo ng mga advices, messages ng angel gamit ang Angel Answers Oracle cards, Pisces. Okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading, Pisces. So, pwede mag-resonate, pwedeng hindi. Okay? And, ang energies na lalabas dito, feminine or masculine, as long as mag-resonate, always kung sinasabi yun, take nyo lang kung mag-resonate, pag hindi, wag pong ipilit. Okay? And, ang ating channel po, Pisces, ay welcome po ang lahat ng gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT man, as long as mag-resonate. Again, take nyo lang. Okay, so ano po yung advices, messages ng tarot cards for Pisces? Mga posibleng mangyari from 18 to 24 of September. Okay. The Strength. So, pwede you're dealing with the Leo sign, Pisces. Okay. So, pwede ito ay sitwasyon na sa nararamdaman ko eh. Okay. Seven of Swords. Everything happens for a reason, Pisces. Okay. Sa dalawang to, all you have to do is to trust the process. Trust the process, trust your angel, trust God, and trust yourself. Okay. Kasi, nakikita nyo, the Strength kasi always yung sinasabi na control your emotions, control your decisions in life, control your mouth, okay? Kontrolin mo yung sarili mo para hindi ka makapagsalita ng hindi kagandahan sa ibang tao, okay? Your decisions in life. Kasi, para hindi ka magkamali, para hindi ka magsisi sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na bugso lang ng damdamin. Okay? So, all you have to do is to tame yourself. Okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong magandang babae na merong lion, okay? And tinitame niya, kinokontrol niya. So, pwedeng ito yung emotions, yung lion, okay? And Seven of Swords, you have to work out on yourself, Pisces, physically and mentally, okay? Kasi meron kang, bigla ako naisip yung word na issue on yourself. You have to parang i-upgrade yan, i-improve yan, okay? Tanggalin mo yung mga bagay na nakakapagdala sa'yo ng hesitations, okay? Doubt sa sarili, doubt sa sitwasyon, okay? Pwedeng anxiety, takot, overthinking, okay? Yung mga bagay na parang nagiging hadlang siya sa mga bagay na dapat mangyari. Okay, pero dahil sa mga naiisip, dahil sa mga bagay na tumatakbo sa isipan, yung mga sitwasyon na pilit mong kinokontrol, medyo yun yung naging dahilan kaya hindi nagiging maayos yung sitwasyon, okay? So, these two cards right here is to control your emotions, control yourself, and trust the process. Okay, trust God, Pisces, okay? Biglang nag-flip. Ace of Cups. Wow. Ace of Happiness, Ace of Love, Ace of Abundance. Nakikita nyo, this card kasi, Ace of Cups represents as emotion. Okay, so nag-uumapaw yung pagmamahal, nag-uumapaw yung happiness, okay? As long as you believe, as long as you just, let it be, okay? Kumbaga, wag mong kontrolin yung bagay na hindi mo nakokontrol, Pisces, okay? Itong reading natin ngayon is trusting God, trusting the situation, trust the process. Okay, so pwedeng maano siya sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay. Pwedeng sa trabaho, pwedeng meron kang dinidil na ano sa trabaho mo, and ang kailangan mo lang dun gawin is kailangan mo kontrolin yung sarili mo. You have to meditate, okay? Pwedeng ganon, or kung hindi naman, pwedeng sa buhay pamilya, buhay pag-ibig, okay? Basta take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate. Okay? Kasi ang maganda yung darating, maganda yung darating sa Pisces, as long as you have to trust, okay? Merong Ace of Cups. Okay, bigla ako nasabi yung Ace of Pentacles. So, pwede ding merong darating sa'yo na magandang trabaho, Pisces. why I keep saying aces? Okay. So there's a major situation na sobrang, alam mo yun, sobrang laki ng impact sa'yo, Pisces. Kasi lahat ng aces sinabi ko na, aside sa Ace of Swords, okay? Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Wands, okay? Ang nakuha natin is Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands. This card represents always yung sinasabi na mensahe, chat, email, letter, call, okay? Message na darating sa'yo, okay? And this is, konektado siya sa Ace of Cups kasi magkatabi sila, magkasunod sila. Okay? So, matatanggap mo ito. Itong mga magagandang bagay na inaasam-asam mo, matatanggap mo as long as you have to do not try to control the situation. Okay? Just let it be, okay? As long as you have to trust lang. Trust sa taong mahal mo, trust sa sarili mo, trust sa trabaho, trust kay God, trust the universe na everything will be okay. Everything will turn out into a better situation for you, okay? Think positive, Pisces, okay? So, maganda, sobrang gandang advices ang nandito sa ating cards ngayon, Pisces. So, kuha tayo ng mga angel answers, pwedeng mensahe ng angel mo, advices ng angel mo about this situation for your next week reading, okay? Romance, yes. So, pwede merong itong involved sa love kasi konektado siya sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay, okay? So, pwede meron kang dinidil na pagmamahal, okay? Yes. Wow! Yes! So, pwede magsasabi ka ng yes, Pisces, or pwedeng itong taong to is magsasabi sa'yo ng yes, or pwedeng, ito yung mensahe, Eight of Wands, yes. And sobrang saya, punong-puno ng happiness, punong-puno ng abundance, punong-puno ng love yung darating sa'yo. As long as you have to trust, magtiwala ka lang, okay? Tiwala lang, walang mangyayaring maganda kung mag-overthink ka, Pisces. Okay? Remain positive. Yes. Always kung sinasabi, maging positibo sa buhay. Isipin mo na lahat ay mangyayari. Lahat ng sitwasyon na nangyayari sa buhay mo will turn into a better situation for you. Everything is great, everything is wonderful, everything is full of happiness, full of love. Okay? Parang ikaw lang yung parang nag-iisip ng mga hindi magaganda, kaya parang nagse-self-sabotage ka. Kailangan mo lang maging positibo sa buhay. Again, always yung sinasabi, trust the situation. Trust your loved ones, trust yourself, trust God, trust sa trabaho, trust sa pamilya, sa friends, okay? And wag mag-overthink, Pisces, okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading, Pisces, na may nagustuhan nyo. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!